In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect Google Meet to Pipedrive CRM. By the end, you'll have Google Meet fully integrated inside your Pipedrive account so you can easily schedule and manage video calls right from your CRM. Let's start inside your Pipedrive dashboard. Look over to the bottom left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots on the sidebar. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up some additional options that are not visible in the main menu. From this expanded menu, look for the option labeled Marketplace and click on it. The Marketplace is where you can find apps and integrations that connect directly with Pipedrive. Once the Marketplace page opens, you'll see a search bar. Type in Google Meet and wait for the results to load. When you see the Google Meet integration appear in the list, click on it to open its details page. On the Google Meet app page, you'll see a button to authorize the integration. Click the Authorize button. This tells Pipedrive that you want to connect your Google account so it can use Google Meet for your meetings. A new window will pop up asking about user selection. Here, you'll choose which Pipedrive user account will be connected to Google Meet. If you see multiple options, pick the one that matches the account you're currently using, then click Next to continue. After you click Next, you'll be taken to an App Permissions screen. This is where Google explains what access the integration needs, such as managing meetings or viewing calendar information. Take a moment to quickly review what it's asking for so you're comfortable with it. When you're ready, click Allow and Install. This confirms that you're granting the requested permissions and want to proceed with the installation. Next, you'll be prompted to pick the Google account you want to connect. Choose the correct Google account from the list or sign in if you're not already logged in. Then follow the prompts from Google. You may see buttons like Allow, Continue, or Agree as you move through these screens. Keep confirming until you reach the end of the process. Once everything is approved, you'll be redirected back to Pipedrive for any additional setup options related to the app. At this point, the Google Meet integration is already installed and ready to use, so you can start creating and managing Google Meet links directly from your Pipedrive CRM.